What if I told you the laziest founders I know are making more money than the hustlers? Not because they work harder, because they don't work at all. They've built AI versions of themselves and they're renting them out. One guy I know charges £200 a month for access to his AI clone. He's got 47 subscribers. You can do the maths. That's a 5-figure passive income from a chatbot that thinks like him. And before you say, yeah, but I'm not an expert in anything, that's exactly the trap I'm going to break for you in this video, because the people winning at this aren't gurus. They're regular operators who package what they already know. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to turn your Claude clone into a paid product, the pricing models that actually work, the 3 ways to deliver it, and the one mistake that kills 90% of these businesses before they start. Stick around to the end, because I'll give you the full launch playbook I use myself, the pricing tiers, the delivery setup, and the exact prompt I use to package up someone's expertise into a sellable clone. Drop the word rent in the comments and I'll send it over. Quick one, if we haven't met, I'm Tom Carr. The voice you're hearing is my AI avatar. I spend my days as a founder building AI businesses, and on this channel, I break down the AI tools and workflows that actually move the needle. Comments are open and I read them all. Right, back to it. Number 1, productize what you already know. Most people skip this step and it kills the whole project. You don't sell access to you, you sell access to a specific outcome. The accountant doesn't rent out an AI version of himself, he rents out a tax deduction finder for freelancers. The fitness coach doesn't rent out his clone, he rents out a personalized meal plan generator that thinks like him. Pick one painful problem your audience pays to solve and build the clone around that. Narrow wins, broad loses. Number 2, pick the right delivery method. There are 3 that actually work. The first is a Claude project you give clients access to. Simplest setup. You build the project with your instructions, your knowledge files, your prompt library, and you share it. The second is a custom GPT on ChatGPT's marketplace, which gives you discoverability but less control. The third, and this is where the real money is wrapping Claude's API inside your own simple web app. Bubble, Lovable, or even a basic Next.js setup. You charge monthly, you control the experience, and clients never need to know what's running underneath. Number 3, price it like software, not like consulting. This is where founders get this wrong. They think I charge £150 an hour, so my clone should be £150 a month. No, your clone runs 24/7 with no fatigue. It's not selling your time, it's selling unlimited access to your thinking. Price tiers that work. £29 a month for individuals, £99 a month for small businesses, £299 a month for Done With You, where you still pop in once a week for a live call. 3 tiers. Stop adding more. That's the bit most people miss, and it's worth pausing on. You are not competing with consultants. You are competing with courses, books, and Google. The clone has to be cheaper than hiring you and faster than a course. Get that pricing right and the whole thing prints. By the way, I do deep dives like this on building AI businesses every week, so you don't have to learn this stuff the expensive way. Hit subscribe if you want to keep your AI edge. Number 4, feed it real reps, not just facts. Your clone needs to make decisions the way you'd make them. So when you set up the system prompt, don't just list what you know. Give it examples of how you actually respond. Paste in 5 real client emails. Paste in your last 3 strategy calls. Paste in the questions you've answered 100 times and the way you answer them. The difference between a clone that feels like you and a clone that feels like ChatGPT is about 20 examples of your actual reasoning. That's it. Number 5, and this is the one that breaks 90% of these businesses. Sell the outcome, not the technology. Nobody wants to buy an AI clone of an SEO expert. They want to buy a system that audits their website every month and tells them exactly what to fix. Nobody wants to buy an AI version of a copywriter. They want to buy unlimited landing page rewrites for £49 a month. Strip the word A off the front. Sell the result. The technology is the engine, not the product. So that's the 5. Productize a specific outcome. Pick the right delivery, project, custom GPT, or your own app. Price it like software, feed it real reps, and sell the outcome, not the AI. Here's the thing, the window for this is right now. In 12 months, every consultant, coach, and freelancer is going to have a clone for sale. The early movers are going to lock in audiences, reviews, and recurring revenue before the market gets crowded. Pick the one thing you already know how to do, narrow it down to a single painful outcome, and have a V1 of your clone for sale within the next 14 days. Charge less than you think, get the first 10 subscribers, refine from there. And like I promised, if you want the full launch playbook with the pricing tiers, the delivery setup checklist, and the exact prompt I use to package someone's expertise into a sellable clone, drop rent in the comments and I'll send it your way. Takes me 30 seconds, costs you nothing. I'm not going to do the whole smash that subscribe button thing, but if you want more on AI marketing that actually works, you know where the button is.
Tap in, what's good? We in the feed for the real ones. Same face, new clip. Fresh take, clean run. Claude AI insights. Think smarter, build faster.